attic, so pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today I'm doing a mini design team project for the Paper Be Creative. We're doing something a little different over there this month on the design team. We're working in teams and working with the same kit, and I am doing some ephemera with those teams. This is the kit Hoppy Easter. I will post a flip through of the full kit here. Now let me tell you a little bit about what I did with the kit for my little ephemera project. I made a little journal card insert that can be used in a journal or as a card by itself. And I printed this kit pages in black and gray, except for the door for the kit. I enlarged this to 95% so that the door was the same size as the page kit, and then I went back and added pops of color to the black and gray kit using something I picked up at Joann's during their liquidation clearance sale. It's a Vicky Bouton Cosmic Watercolor set. I found this and thought it would work well to add little pops of color to this journal card. So let me do a little flip through of what I've done here. I did also add some glossy accents here for the door hinges and the mail slot. And for my card, what I did is I created a tunnel type card, so where you can see through from the front all the way to the back and see just little pops of a scene here in the card. I added pops of color here to the banner and a gingham ribbon here to the top of the banner. Little pops of color in the florals there and on my little duck bow. And little pops of color in the Easter eggs. And you can kind of see if I can hold this up so you can kind of see how I did this for the tunnel portion. I just tore out the inside pieces of the page for the kit, and then I fussy cut around the little elements in the kit to make like a kind of a tunnel window for the card. I did some decorative stitching here on the edge. And then as you flip through, you can see through the tunnel through the other side. I added some washi tape here for a little extra support for the spine of the card, and also to add some visual interest. A little pop of color on this card is the gold shimmer for the bow. Again, some more decorative edging. Here I have my blue here for the flowers. And as you see, as each time you turn, the picture builds on the left side like it did on the right. I really enjoyed making this little ephemera card. I added some little gold highlights to the banner flags here, again with the gingham ribbon. It was a quick little easy project, and this just shows you that if you have a kit, if you print it in black and gray or even on your document setting, you can get a total different look than if you printed it in full color. I'll leave the link down in the description box where you can go over and grab this Hoppy Easter kit and play with it in its full glory or either in the black and gray like I did. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this little flip through. Be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. And until I see y'all again here in the attic, y'all take care.